What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Right now we are on the way to the Bmw M Meet. They were supposed to have it last weekend, but it was raining last weekend in LA. So like I said, right now I'm on the way there. Supposed to see a bunch of M cars. I think a lot of cars are gonna pull up. A lot of cars wanted to go last time, but we got Nick and Eddie in the 335. Sheesh. I remember when I had my 335, it was so freaking nice, guys. It was a 2012 LCI M Sport package. It was so freaking nice. I think this one has an upgraded intercooler VRSF. Where the rollie at? Where the rollie at?
They already got stolen.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, did you guys hear the Karen? Oops. I didn't mean that. Yo, I feel bad. There was like a bunch of neighbors walking their dogs, and I'm over here being a typical BMW driver. I'm already causing trouble so early in the morning, which I didn't mean to. I mean, I only floored it for like 2 seconds, but I guess because the sound of the car makes it seem like it was going fast, but I wasn't going fast. I was going the speed limit. Promise.
Right? Nice, bro.
Yeah, I don't know.
Rolly, rich. Damn, that's a nice G80 right there. As you can see, we have now made it to the car meet. A bunch of M's. Oh, one Audi. But look, G82 over there. Starting off, we got the beautiful M8 Coupe. Gotta love the M8. That shit nice. M2 on 4-cylinder wheels. That's pretty clean. I think these are probably like my favorite 4-cylinder wheels. Even though I haven't seen the other ones, but I've seen these a couple times before. It's very nice. Damn, that G82 is sick. Somebody pulled up in the big body RS7. Okay. Damn, rich. And we got my GTS. Still looking clean after the wash. Oh, it's a little dirty now, but looks clean. Frozen black G82. That's pretty nice. I like that. Frozen black with the bronze wheels going on there. That's pretty clean.
Look at the wheels. Did you see?
Damn, rich. 4Gs. That shit's nice, bro. It's all blacked out too on the tail lights, the wheels, flush door handles. That shit is pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie. Big body 7. A 7 Series. What am I gonna do with a 7 Series?
I can see you in that.
What, going down Rodeo?
Yeah.
I was just about to say that. That shit's crazy, though.
Honestly, this is fire with the wheels.
We got G82, 2024. As you can see, it's got the full screen competition. And you got the red interior, too. Oh, shit. I think these are both identical. Look, another two G82s. Comfort seats, red interior. That shit nice. G80. Damn, look at that paint. It's got metallic in it. That shit's clean. F90 M5. Okay. That's a nice interior too. Gotta love the F90s. Damn, look at the setup he got back here. That's sick. We got a Dries with the F90 M5. I think he recently put these wheels on there. He just put those wheels on there.
I know, look.
That shit look nice, bro. That's just sick. What's up, bro? How are you?
Good, how are you? Huh?
Good, chilling. Gotta love the LMRs on this thing. With the Krispy Kreme donuts on the top. Should we steal some? We got another F90 M5. I think it looks really good in white too. All the black accents. Got the carbon lip on there. 2 Series. Lexus IS350. Beamers. Damn, that shit goes all the way down here. Look. Got all the BMWs over here. Sheesh. And the Lambo. Rich. Making us all look broke. Damn. G82. We got the M2 competition, Hockenheim silver. That's pretty clean. There's a clean 340 right here with the carbon hood, GTS style hood on the Rays. That's just sick. Carbon fenders. Yeah, that's just sick. This is nice. Carbon trunk. I like this diffuser too. I've seen them on the GAX. This diffuser's sick. G82, yellow DRLs. Sheesh. Brand new M2 with yellow DRLs already. That's pretty clean. You guys don't really see these too often, but it's clean. I feel like it just depends how you mod them. They turn out really, really nice. Look at the vet. Sheesh. And that ZR1, it's the fast kind. Heard that song by Lil Baby?
What?
Where he talks about the ZR1. You never heard it?
No. Wait, you see the tires?
Yeah, what's wrong with them? Oh my. G80. These are my favorite wheels on the G80. Yeah, I like these a lot.
They look like your wheels, man.
Do they? Yeah. Kind of. But yeah, look at that. All BMWs over here. Lambo doors. I'm gonna put those on the GTS.
You should, honestly. It'll probably go viral.
Look at all the BMWs over here. All of them. Beamer fams, G82.
But have you seen how it looks underneath?
No.
We can't see it, but the vlog could.
What?
Look how sick that looks. Wow.
Yeah,
Look
that is
all the
nice.
way too.
It's nice.
Rich, G. Stop trying.
M4 CS, the homie Sam's. Very clean. CCBs, interior looking mint. Let's look at that engine bay though. Damn, that engine bay go crazy. We got another G80, another G82. Sheesh. E92 M3. I think this is the only E9X here. Damn, I should have brought my E92. It's always good to see the E92 M3s out because you really don't see them anymore. A lot of people going FAX, GAX, so E9X I feel like is becoming really, really rare. Color's sick though. What color is this?
White with pearl.
Damn, that shit looks crazy. Wow, very clean G82. Damn, look how it hits right here in the sun.
I got a 20K discount.
I don't know if you guys can see that. That's crazy. We got another M4 CS, okay? CS boys are out. This is the second CS, Alpine White. Sheesh. Very clean. M4 CS. We got an M8, another M8. Okay. Got some wheels on it. Pretty clean. We got a G82, Eiselman green. Launch color, very nice. Comp. Super clean. G80.
Kevin?
What's up, bro? Kevin?
I mean you before. I beat me.
Yeah? Oh, shit.
Sold my car.
Damn.
How you been, bro?
Rich. Sheesh. Dropping the top on them. Look at the color on this one. That's pretty nice. Got the yellow DRLs. Got some wheels on there. That's pretty clean. Huh? What? Rich. What's up, G? How are you? Damn, that shit looks clean. What's up, bro? Long time no see. I know. Got the cage back there. Damn, that shit's so sick. I love the M2s.
No, but.
What do we get, Eddie? Sheesh.
No.
Donuts?
It doesn't matter. Not gonna get one?
I am. Damn. It's a nice M2.
Low miles.
Rich. EJ in the M8? Sheesh. That's just clean.
Mr. EJ, what's going on, bro?
Haven't seen EJ in a minute. M8 looking clean as always. E36 M3. The Sparkle seats. You got the cage back there. Sheesh. 7 Series. Somebody pulled up at the big body 7. Black G82 with the orange interior, the Hermes spec. Okay, Rich. M8 Grand Coupe, Nardo Gray. It's crazy, guys. This is actual paint. But yeah, sick ass M8. I love the wheels on there. He got the red bucket seats. God damn, that's just fire, bro. This is a sick ass color. Nardo Gray. Oh my god. That shit's loud, bro. But yeah, guys, the homie Daniel's car, shit fire, bro. Nardo Gray, yellow DRLs. Such a clean M8. Damn, look at the G80. Got the center exhaust. Okay, I see you. That's just clean, bro. Sao Paulo yellow. What's up, bro? I like that exhaust. It's just sick. That shit fire. You got the canards up in the front, carbon lip. As you can see, you got all the BMWs ready to roll out, guys. They're going for this big ass cruise that I wish I could go to, but unfortunately, we cannot go on the cruise. We got the homie Sebastian's F80 M3. Got another F80 M3 secure orange comp wheels, GTS hood. Damn, they kind of matching the same paint. Almost, damn, that's crazy. The homie Alex brought out the E92 M3. You've been MIA for a long ass time. But super clean E92 M3 6-speed manual and performance seats. It's super nice, guys. I have to bring my E92 out. Make some content with E92 for sure. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, comment down below. What was your favorite M car from today's meet, besides mine? I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.